A very easy and very quick process for us to recover our device if you have forgotten your screen lock. Today, this is one of the easiest and fastest ways for us to recover it. Here we have that little padlock on the part. In the top left we see accessibility, but it doesn't let us through. It lets us skip it if you changed that screen lock, or if you forgot about it. But you also don't remember the A in the email address you had on your cell phone. Don't worry, because in this video tutorial, we'll solve it with just one click. How are we going to do it easily and quickly? I always recommend watching the step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss any details and we can find a solution for this recovery. Another thing I want to recommend is to leave in the comments at the end of the video, let me know if you've already solved this method. Oh, one more thing. For this to work, it has to be on Android 16. You have it on Android, it usually works 15 times, but it's better to increase it. The Android 16 version. Let us know in the comments which model it's for. It worked for you because it works not only for this model but for other models as well. I've already said all that. Let's go, disconnect our Wi-Fi network and leave. To connect in order to get to where that screen lock appears and what? It's that Google account. As we indicated to them that we are going to recover our device with a single click, That means we will be using a completely new tool. Updated where you and we will be explaining everything step by step from where they will be able to know what they have to do and how they will be able to do all this. It is also recommended that you temporarily disable your antivirus once we finish the process, we will re-enable it normally so we don't have to. No problem and everything works correctly. That's why it's always recommended. Watch the video step by step so you can understand it and do this yourself. Recover your cell phone if you forget. This screen lock that appears here also suddenly indicates. Use my Google account because we changed that lock on our end. From the screen I just finished a while ago, we had already forgotten. Here it asks us for the email. And sometimes we create the email but we don't write it down. But when this happens, we reset it because we have plenty of time. Without needing to use email. Sometimes it happens that we forget our email, then suddenly our password, then we remember it. So that you can recover your device. In this video tutorial, we recommend that you watch it step by step. The first thing we're going to do is go here. We'll run our antivirus, which is the first thing we need to do. We're going here on this shield. Then we click here where it says Manage Settings here. In real time, what we're going to do is temporarily disable it. Then we go to the browser and we're going to look for what is here where we'll be able to, we'll write it here exactly as the recommendation appears here. It's always best if you search on Google so it appears first. If it doesn't appear first, it will appear second. You'll have to select it. Here you will be able to find many methods. You will be able to find many other methods here. Go to the last option, click here on See More. Go to the last option and you'll find a padlock here. You're going to click here where it says Apps or Applications and you're going to select it. Here you'll also find many other features. Let's go. You'll be able to find many other completely different tools. Find me here. Here we're going to get to this point. Here we're going to be able to use this tool that we will be using this in this video tutorial today, or this one too. This would be the tool. Sorry, that one. We're not going to use this one. This would be the one we'll be using it today in this video tutorial. We're going to download it here. They will be able to find a password, which they will be able to find here. We extract it. Then, once we've extracted everything, we'll go back here. Let's go. And we're going to extract it. We extract it, then we click here. We're going to find something like this. We right-click, and then select Run as Administrator. We say yes. We'll wait here for it to open. We'll wait here. Something like this is going to open up for us. It would be opening up for us, now that it's opening up for us. So what we're going to do is the following. Let's pay close attention to this video tutorial. Let's connect our phone. We'll connect it. We're going to connect it. We're going to the home page. We're going to click here. Down here FRP, it says FRP. Here it tells us, we need to have MTP enabled. I connected the Wi-Fi. These are the drivers, and the Android version is 16. If you have Android 15, it won't work. If we don't update the version, we'll give it a try. Here, to continue, what we will be doing is waiting for. We will wait for this recovery process to end. Here it tells us what the model, the Android, and all that is. I'm doing everything here. That whole process is already there. Because the idea here is that we can solve and we can. Recover your device in the easiest and fastest way. Which would be without needing to use, or without needing to take it to a technician. An easy and quick process. We're coming. Let's not let the screen turn off. Let's not let the screen turn off. Let's wait here. This sometimes takes a few seconds. Okay, let me know in the comments if it worked correctly for you. If you happen to have made some mistakes. Also, leave them in the comments so we can help you. I can guide you if you suddenly can't solve this problem. Process, because the idea here is that you too can solve it now. Hey, and also leave a comment with which model it worked on, because this also. Not only does it work for this model that we are using today, but it also works for another device. We'll keep waiting here. A little patience is also needed in the video description and in the first comment. We already have other methods here. The PC is a good sign. When we are doing this process and the PC makes a sound, it's because it's going well. The process is going well in some cases, but there's also something else that. Sometimes it happens that the phone isn't recovered, sometimes the Google account is deleted. The first times, because this is going to restart not just once. I think it would be restarting 2 or 3 times. If the process is completed and you are still not logged into your Google account. We're going to do the process again. We're doing it again. It's at 80% now. That needs to reach 100% so that it can work. To solve it completely. We'll continue. Waiting. List. We're still waiting here. Let's see. It's at 80%. It would now be restarting for the 3rd time. Now some letters will appear here on the screen. Okay, let's wait. We'll keep waiting here. These are the ones I want to point out here. Now it restarts and now our device should be fully recovered. But it has to get here in green. It's already green, ready. Now what we have to do is wait for it to take us directly, which is at the beginning, and look when our phone is fully. Once recovered, we need to correct the remaining errors on our phone because when we use tools, we always have them on our phones. We can already disconnect some errors, just as we correct them all. I'll explain how you can fix these mistakes at the end of the video. Correct. Another thing I also want to mention is that, at the end of the video, after we've covered the errors, let us know in the comments if it worked for you correctly and on which model did it work for you, because this works for many. We'll have to wait and see if we get any devices with these processors. And if you can remove it. If you don't connect, you can connect. You can configure it with the Wi-Fi network. Another thing, if your Google account isn't deleted and you're left with the padlock icon. So what you have to do is try again. Try again, because sometimes it happens that the first one doesn't work, but the second one should be working correctly. The second, if not the third, on some devices, a device that worked for me. It was like the third try, the third one, it worked. Well, we'll go here. Let's change the language here. We click here, we're going to start. We click on it, we click here on Add. If we don't have any SIM card, we click here, which is called Manual, and turn off the Wi-Fi network. I turn it off. We click here on Skip. This makes the process faster. We click on Skip, More, Accept. Add, Next. We'll wait a few seconds here. How do we correct the errors? We'll explain how we're going to correct the errors. We'll click here. Now, to correct those errors that we've been talking about, what we're going to do is go here. What is an adjustment? We're going to talk about the phone here, about the phone. Here in the About Phone section, we find this reset option. Once it resets, we'll configure it normally again.